Hi everybody, this is Kamka English Kitchen. Okay, today I have idioms to tell you today. Is prayers. Yes, that's right, prayers. So I know that many people hate players. Player is mean that need to have many girlfriends or boyfriends, or a person that's always cheat on someone. Alright, player is mean อีกแล้วคนหลายใจ okay. So if you want to say to someone is why are you so players, yes, but if you want to say please stop to someone, okay, can you stop players, can you stop players, okay, I think like that. So you want to say someone you are players, yes. So I know you hate if you have a boyfriend or girlfriend, but he or she is very players. But how do you think about her, how do you think about him? I think you hate. Yeah, that's right. So if you want to say in English, why are you so players? So you can say I am not. If you are not, you can say I am not a player, or you can say you are not a player, or you can say we are not players, they are not players. Yes, it's very simple. Alright, and number 2 is big cheese. It means a person is very important. It's very important in your life. For example, you are a big cheese to me. Yes. So today I think you can use it to someone. Alright, when you want to say to your boyfriend or your girlfriend or your friends or your mother, your father, your son or your brother, your sister, whatever. Alright, you can say, for example, my mom is very big cheese, my father is very big cheese, yeah, my girlfriend is very big cheese. Yes. Okay, I think this video is very help you. I hope next video is very big. It's very big. Okay, I will tell you, I will give you next. So I think you enjoy my video, and lastly I want to say thank you for your watching, and I want to tell you please subscribe my channel and comment and share, because my video is very useful for you. Okay, for today that's it. Thank you. So lastly, don't forget to practice your English. Practice every day, and it will make you confidence when you speak English. Okay, for today, thank you.